Welcome to Docker Essential video series. In this video, we will discuss about different features of Docker Swarm. In last Docker video, we have discussed about introduction to Docker Swarm. To get to know more about it, check out the link in the description below. To get better understanding of wide range of technologies in a simple manner, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's discuss various features of Docker Swarm. First is cluster management integrated with Docker Engine. When you run your Docker Engine in Swarm mode, you will get orchestration and cluster management capabilities by default without installing separate software. Second is decentralized design. While deploying this service, you don't need to care about at which node service will be deployed. It can be either deployed in manager or worker node. That decision has been taken by the Docker Swarm at runtime. Third is declarative way of designing a service. Docker Engine allows you to define the desired state of services in a declarative way. Fourth is scaling. In Docker Swarm cluster, you can anytime scale up or scale down the services even after its deployment without restarting, just either by updating its replicas attribute or by using the Docker scale command. Fifth is state reconciliation. Docker Swarm manager nodes continuously monitors the services to determine that desired state is maintained or not. If not, then it will work in order to achieve the desired service state. Sixth is multi-host networking. In Docker Swarm cluster, overlay network is used to establish the communication between the multiple Docker hosts so that container present in manager node can also talk to container present in worker node or vice versa. Seventh is security. Any communication happen between different nodes is TLS authenticated and encrypted. And last is rolling update. While upgrading, Docker Swarm allows you to apply the updates incrementally so that in case of failure, you can easily fall back on last working release. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on the video and subscribe the channel. In next video, we will perform first lab session on Docker Swarm.